Deep in the heart of the forest, a legend lurks. It is a place where the trees stand tall and ancient, their branches whispering secrets to those who dare to listen. The air is thick with mystery, and every rustle of leaves could be the sign of something extraordinary, a creature of myth and mystery. Known by many names across different cultures, it has captured the human imagination for centuries. Some call it Sasquatch, others Yeti, but to most it is simply Bigfoot. We know it as Bigfoot. Enormous footprints left in the mud, grainy footage that sparks debates, and eyewitness accounts that send shivers down the spine. These are the fragments of evidence that keep the legend alive. Tales of this elusive being have been passed down for generations. Around campfires and in hushed whispers, stories of encounters are shared, each one adding to the rich tapestry of Bigfoot lore. Native American lore speaks of a hairy giant, a protector of the wilderness. These stories are not just myths, but are deeply rooted in the cultural heritage of many tribes who regard Bigfoot as a guardian of nature. Stories whisper of its immense size and uncanny ability to vanish into thin air. Witnesses describe a creature that moves with surprising grace for its size, disappearing into the forest as if it were a ghost. Is it real or just a figment of our imagination? This question has puzzled scientists, enthusiasts, and skeptics alike. The line between reality and myth blurs in the dense, shadowy woods. The question lingers, drawing us deeper into the mystery. Each step into the forest feels like a journey into the unknown, where the answers are as elusive as the creature itself. For centuries, people have claimed to have encountered this enigmatic creature. From early explorers to modern-day hikers, the stories span generations and continents, each one adding a piece to the puzzle. Their stories, while varied, share a common thread, a sense of awe and disbelief. Whether it's a fleeting glimpse or a close encounter, the impact is profound, leaving witnesses questioning what they saw. Some describe a feeling of being watched, an eerie sensation that sends chills down the spine. It's as if the forest itself is alive, with eyes that see but remain unseen, of an intelligence lurking just beyond our perception. This sense of an unseen presence adds to the mystique, making every rustle and shadow a potential sign of Bigfoot. The legend of Bigfoot has permeated our culture, inspiring countless books, movies, and expeditions. From scientific inquiries to pop culture phenomena, Bigfoot remains a symbol of the unknown, inspiring countless books, movies, and expeditions. Researchers and adventurers alike have dedicated their lives to uncovering the truth, each expedition adding to the legend. It is a testament to our enduring fascination with the unknown. The allure of Bigfoot lies not just in the possibility of its existence, but in what it represents, a connection to the wild, untamed parts of our world and our imagination. The stories of Bigfoot stretch back centuries, shrouded in mystery and intrigue. Native American tribes have long spoken of a large, hairy creature inhabiting the forests, a being that roamed the dense woodlands and was deeply embedded in their cultural lore. They called it Sasquatch, meaning wild man or hairy man. These stories were passed down through generations, often through oral traditions and intricate carvings. These tales were often intertwined with their spiritual beliefs, depicting Sasquatch as a powerful being to be both respected and feared. It was not just a creature of the forest, but a guardian of nature, a symbol of the unknown. European settlers, too, reported encounters with similar creatures. As they ventured into the uncharted territories of North America, they brought with them their own stories and experiences. In the 1800s, as pioneers ventured westward, stories of Bigfoot sightings began to emerge. These pioneers, often isolated in the vast wilderness, recounted strange encounters that left them both awed and terrified. Newspaper articles from the time recount tales of giant footprints and strange vocalizations echoing through the woods. These reports, though often met with skepticism, added to the growing legend of Bigfoot. These early accounts, often dismissed as tall tales, helped to solidify the legend of Bigfoot in the public imagination. Around campfires and in the pages of journals, the stories of this elusive creature were shared and preserved. The mystery deepened, fueling curiosity and speculation. What was this creature that seemed to elude capture and understanding? What were these pioneers encountering in the vast wilderness? Was it a figment of their imagination, a misidentified animal, or something truly extraordinary? The questions lingered, and the legend of Bigfoot continued to grow, captivating the minds of those who dared to venture into the unknown. The year was 1967. A grainy film emerged from the forests of Northern California. It showed a large, hairy creature striding across a clearing. This became known as the Patterson-Gimlin film. The footage sent shockwaves through the world. Could this be the elusive Bigfoot finally caught on camera? The film sparked intense debate. Believers pointed to the creature's human-like gait and its sheer size as evidence of Bigfoot's existence. Skeptics argued that the footage was a hoax, a man in a suit. Despite years of analysis and controversy, the Patterson-Gimlin film remains a cornerstone of Bigfoot lore. It continues to ignite debate and fuel the search for this enigmatic creature. The legend of Bigfoot is not confined to the past. It continues to captivate the imagination of people around the world. Even today, people from all walks of life report encounters with this mysterious being. These sightings are not limited to any one region or type of person. Hikers, campers, and even seasoned outdoorsmen claim to have seen fleeting glimpses of something large and unexplained in the woods. These encounters often happen unexpectedly, leaving the witnesses both thrilled and terrified. Their stories, often told with a mix of fear and wonder, keep the legend alive. Around campfires and in online forums, these tales are shared, analyzed, and debated, adding to the rich tapestry of Bigfoot lore. Some describe hearing strange vocalizations, howls, screams, and other unidentifiable noises that echo through the night. These sounds are often described as unlike anything heard from known wildlife, and even what sounds like knocking on wood. This phenomenon, known as wood knocking, is believed by some to be a form of communication used by Bigfoot. These eerie sounds, often heard in the dead of night, send chills down the spines of those who hear them. The darkness amplifies the fear, making every rustle and snap seem like a potential encounter. Are these the calls of Bigfoot, or simply the sounds of the forest playing tricks on our ears? The ambiguity of these experiences leaves room for endless speculation and wonder. The mystery endures, fueled by these modern-day encounters. Each new story adds another layer to the legend, ensuring that the fascination with Bigfoot will continue for generations to come. Section 5. Science steps in, searching for concrete proof. The enduring mystery of Bigfoot has attracted the attention of scientists and researchers. Determined to separate fact from fiction, they delve into the forests, armed with the tools of modern science. Their mission to uncover tangible evidence that can prove or disprove the existence of this elusive creature. They collect footprints, analyze hair samples, and study eyewitness accounts. Their goal is to apply rigorous scientific methods to the study of Bigfoot. Can they find the definitive proof that has eluded us for so long? Section 6. Footprints and hair, analyzing the evidence. Over the years, numerous pieces of potential Bigfoot evidence have surfaced. Giant footprints, some measuring over 20 inches long, have been found in remote areas. These prints often display dermal ridges, suggesting they were made by a living creature and not a hoaxer. Hair samples, too, have been collected and analyzed. Some of these hairs do not match any known animal species. Could this be the physical evidence that finally proves Bigfoot's existence? Scientists are cautiously optimistic, but they stress the need for further analysis and corroborating evidence. Section 7. DNA dilemmas. Can genetics solve the mystery? Advances in DNA technology have revolutionized many fields, and Bigfoot research is no exception. Scientists are now able to extract DNA from even the smallest of samples, offering a tantalizing possibility. Could we finally unlock the secrets of Bigfoot's genetic makeup? The results, however, have been inconclusive. While some DNA analyses have yielded intriguing results, none have definitively proven the existence of a new primate species. Contamination, degradation, and the possibility of misidentified samples complicate the picture. The search for Bigfoot's DNA continues, a race against time to find that elusive genetic fingerprint. Section 8. The skeptic's view, logic versus legend. The world of Bigfoot research is not without its skeptics. Many scientists and critical thinkers remain unconvinced by the available evidence. They point to the lack of clear photographic or video evidence, the often contradictory eyewitness accounts, and the possibility of hoaxes. For them, the legend of Bigfoot is just that, a legend. They argue that extraordinary claims require extraordinary evidence and that the burden of proof lies with those who believe in Bigfoot's existence. Until more compelling evidence is found, they remain unconvinced. Their skepticism serves as a reminder to approach the subject with a critical and discerning eye.